Welcome to this episode of 1 Minute Earth. This is Rafflesia arnoldii, the largest flower in the world. And that's not just a fun fact we threw in to get your attention. It's actually the launching pad for our exploration of the Flora of Borneo. Because if you can imagine a place where flowers like this just grow wild, then you can probably also picture some seriously lush, green landscapes. And you'd be right on the money. The island of Borneo is covered with some of the oldest rainforests on Earth, home to more than 15,000 plant species, including more than 1,700 types of orchids. In this episode, we're going to give you a whirlwind tour of just a tiny portion of Borneo's incredible flora. So let's get started. Our first stop is a forest dominated by giant trees known as Dipterocarp trees. These trees are so named because their seeds have two seed leaves, or carpels, that look like miniature palm fronds. The largest concentration of Dipterocarp trees occurs in the region known as the Sundaland, which includes the island of Borneo. Some of these trees can grow to more than 80 meters tall and 3 meters wide. As the dipterocs grow up, they form a dense canopy that blocks much of the sunlight from getting to the forest floor. This creates an environment where shade-tolerant plants like orchids can thrive. Speaking of orchids, did you know that Borneo hosts over 1,700 species of orchids? That's more than any other place on Earth. One of the most famous is the ghost orchid, which grows on the forest floor and gets its name from its pale white petals and the fact that it blooms only at night. As we continue our exploration of Borneo's forests, we'll see another type of tree with an equally unique fruit. These are the ginger plants, also known as Etlingera. These plants get their common name from the ginger family, which they resemble, but they are actually more closely related to the orchid family. The flowers of the Etlingera are small, but they're arranged in such a way that they form a large, showy inflorescence that looks like a giant hairy ginger root. But not all of Borneo's plants grow on land. Around the island's extensive coastline, we find mangroves. These salt-tolerant trees have specialized roots that allow them to grow in the shallow waters of the coast. They play an important role in protecting coastlines from erosion and provide habitat for a variety of animals, including monkeys, birds, and fish. As we make our way inland, we'll begin to see some of the smaller plants that grow in the understory of the rainforest. One of the most striking is the corpse flower. It's also known as the titan arum. This plant is famous for its huge flower, which can grow to be over 1 meter wide and 3 meters long. The flower has a pungent odor that smells like rotting flesh, which attracts beetles that pollinate the plant. If you thought the corpse flower was impressive, wait until you see the Rafflesia arnoldii. This is the largest flower in the world. That's not just a fun fact we threw in to get your attention. It's actually the launching pad for our exploration of the Flora of Borneo, because if you can imagine a place where flowers like this just grow wild, then you can probably also picture some seriously lush green landscapes. And you'd be right on the money. In addition to these incredible plants, Borneo is also home to a variety of other organisms, including more than 200 species of mammals, 400 species of birds, and 100 species of reptiles. One of the most iconic animals that call Borneo home is the orangutan. These great apes are found in the forests of Borneo and Sumatra, where they spend their days eating fruit and leaves and their nights sleeping in trees. Orangutans are known for their intelligence and their distinctive facial features, including their large, round ears and their long, slender arms. Another amazing animal that can be found in Borneo is the proboscis monkey. These monkeys are known for their large noses, which are more prominent in males than females. The proboscis monkey is only found in Borneo and is considered a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and poaching. So there you have it, just a sampling of the incredible flora and fauna that can be found in Borneo. If you want to learn more about this amazing place, be sure to visit our website. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for our newsletter so you never miss an episode of 1 Minute Earth.